Imitation crab can be cooked in various ways. Today I am making imitation crab in green gravy or Hara Masala. For this we need to first fry the imitation crab. Now in the leftover oil we'll add cumin seeds, bay leaf and cinnamon. Now we'll add garlic, ginger, green chili, bit of onion greens and coriander leaf and saute it for some time. Add a little more oil as we need to fry the masalas. Add the chopped onions. Add a little salt so that it becomes pinkish faster. Add a little more coriander to it and fry for some time. Now add the green paste which I have made. This green paste is made of coriander, spring onion, curry leaves and green chili. Blanching the herbs makes the color more bright. Add curry leaves. Now add fresh coconut paste. Now add some spices, add some meat masala to it. Now add water for the desired consistency you require. Add black pepper. Now it's time to add the imitation crab and boil it for some time. You can adjust the gravy consistency by adding water or reducing it. It is advisable to have a thick gravy which tastes much better. Sprinkle some spring onion over it. Definitely give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.